Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to see story viewer list after 48 hours on Instagram. So actually that is a trick, and how you can make it work. You just need to turn your profile into a business account, or your account on Instagram into a business account, and the story that you want to see the viewer or its viewer list after 48 hours must be posted or shared on the business account version. So after you turn your account into a business account, and once you post a story, you need to forward it into your highlights. So this is the highlights, and after 48 hours, or maybe 70 hours, 90 days, etc., you can see, or you can still see the story viewer list. So for example, I posted some stories, and the stories were before I turned my profile into a business account. So I will just set an example with them. All right, let's go into that one, this highlight. All right, okay, as I told you guys, you need to forward your story into your highlights so you can see the story viewer list. All right, so for example, this story, I can just tap on the hold up, and right here in the story insights you can see the viewers. And that's it. This is the trick. This is how you can do that, and this is how to see story viewer list after 48 hours on Instagram. Anyways, thank you for watching, and goodbye.